Creating professional-grade moldings and trim work in your shop must start with high-quality tools. So we're going to take you on a tour and show you how our molding heads and cutters are made. Molding heads start out as blanks cut from a large rod of tool steel. Each blank is cut using an automated bandsaw, which then advances the rod exactly the right distance for the next cut. These blanks are then sent to the lathe, where they're milled for the proper diameter, the center is bored for the arbor of the table saw, then parted off into individual molding head plates. The plates are mounted to a fixture, which locates them using the center bore. The first step is to drill 3 holes in each of the plates. That'll be used later on for milling the knife slots. The machine automatically changes tools to a V-bit, which engraves all of the information needed on the face of the molding head. And with the face work completed, the plate is now ready for slotting. A different fixture is used for the next operation. The parts are carefully located within the machine, and the software set up for the process. This fixture holds 2 blanks side by side for the rest of the operations. The next tool is automatically mounted, and the process continues. Cutting steel is hot work, so the working area is constantly flooded with a coolant to keep the parts cool and extend the tool life. 3 notches need to be cut into the head for the mounting screws that hold the knives. As each is completed, the fixture automatically rotates the parts for the next cut. The process isn't fast, but it is very accurate. Another tool change, and the holes for the locking screws are begun. All 6 holes on both parts are actually countersunk first, preventing burrs from forming when the holes are drilled. The holes for the mounting screws have to be drilled fairly deep, so the program automatically drills a bit, removes the drill from the hole to clear the chips, and goes back to take another step. Cutting the threads for these holes takes great precision and control. The tap is turning far more slowly than the drill bit, and the tool must advance at exactly the same rate that the threads are cut. Any error in the setup or programming will result in broken tools and lost time. Same machine, same fixture, different tool, and the knife slots can be cut. It may not look like much is happening at first, but it's easy to tell by the sound when it starts cutting. Notice also that this tool is working on a different part of the molding head than previous tools had. The tool itself only moves up and down. Front to back and side to side are controlled by the movement of the table. And with this particular fixture, rotation of the part can be controlled as well. With skilled programming, it all comes together to result in a molding head that is both accurate and well balanced. Milling completed, the molding heads are treated to prevent corrosion, which gives them the familiar dark patina. Each profile is cut into the knife blanks using a specific cutting tool of that same shape. But all the care that went into making the molding head well balanced is useless if the knives aren't balanced as well. The knife stock is cut to length, and they're all carefully ground to exactly the same thickness. The knives are always manufactured in multiples of 3. This ensures that all 3 knives in any set were processed at the same time on the same setup. This attention to detail is what keeps your molding head cutting smoothly in your shop. Now, a lot more knives need to be made than molding heads, so different fixtures are available to allow processing on more than one machine at the same time. More popular profiles are milled on linear fixtures, 12 pieces at a time, while less common profiles are milled on a different fixture in groups of 6. But wherever they're made, specialized tooling in highly accurate milling machines guarantees the best possible product. Molding heads get shipped either in boxes or in clamshell packaging. The knife sets are carefully laid out and vacuum sealed. And a die is used to cut the sheet into individual packaging. After die cutting, they're placed into inventory, awaiting your order. A great deal of effort and care goes into making Corob cutters as safe and accurate as possible. Learn more by visiting our website at www.corobcutters.com.